Well, we're leaving Christmas Island. Christmas is over. It's time to go dump tanks and refill with water and go to another island.
Hasta la vista, baby.
So it's starting to fill in up here near the highway and near the cell tower, which has been making it very slow for us. This is actually not as packed as it has been in the past. Usually it's pretty crowded up here, but over closer to the dunes, it'll be packed over there. There's a bunch of people over here on the left-hand side too. So the dump station and the water place are two different areas, and they're really not very far to where we go, just a few miles either way off the freeway from Ogilvy Road. So we don't have too far to go. And hopefully it is not crowded. Otherwise, we'll just have our patience pants on and we'll just chill.
You can borrow mine. I got lots of room in mine.
So we just finished with water and all these people were after us. When we got here, there was nobody waiting. Now there's 4 vehicles. Woo! We got lucky we got here in time. And lucky we didn't have to start from a totally empty tank. So that was good too.
Well, we had about a third of a tank.
Yeah.
We put in what, almost 70 gallons?
Yeah, 60-some gallons. So
not bad at all.
Not bad. Here's the other area. And I bet you it's thinned out some. It was probably really full at Christmas. But it's full again now for the new year. So, on to a new holiday island.
A new holiday island. We're going, should we tell them? Or just wait?
We'll just wait.
We'll just wait. Okay,
we'll show you. We'll show you when we get there. Well, we went and dumped and got water, and we have arrived at New Year's Island. Tom is putting up the panels. So we're at another spot that we really love. Tom's getting the panels up. It's going to be hard to get them exact because today is a cloudy day. Lots of clouds. This morning it was very warm and muggy. The breeze has cooled it off a bit. So here we are for a little bit. Well, we pulled into our site. Legs go down just fine. Thank you, Dave. And bedroom slide goes out, kitchen slide goes out. The door slide did not go out. So, mess with it a little bit, finally goes out, then Tom says, bring it back in, and then it won't go back out again. So, back in our first year, we had problems with the slide switches. So, what we did was I took the switch from the kitchen, which goes right here, and put it on the door slide, and it worked just fine. So that tells us we have a bad switch. So we just need to get another one. Easy peasy. And it's great because it's just a plug and play. Just plug it right in there and it goes. No wiring or anything. So, one of those things, right? Okay, can we have a travel day with no drama? That would be great. Okay, well, we told you we've been having troubles with our slide switch. Actually, it's this one, the one for the door side. And they're loose in here because when we take them in and out, we know the kitchen switch works. And so I just swap them out if I need to. But since we took it apart and cleaned the contacts and everything, it has been working okay. But we did check in with our buddies at Leisure Coach Works and bought 2 more switches just in case to cover our butts if that decides to really die on us. And thank you, Conrad, for getting these out to us so quickly. And so we have new ones. They're really easy to plug in. You just plug them in. right there. So, so we shall see how long it continues to work. And since it is still working, we're not going to put in a new one just yet. But thank you, Leisure Coach Works, for always having our back. It is a foggy morning, and it was even more foggy than this earlier. Looked out the bedroom window and I said, this is what it should have been like for Christmas. We would have had a white Christmas. Tom says, okay, put everything back up and we'll pretend like it's Christmas. I said, okay. However,
She would have done that.
I probably would have if we had nothing else to do today. But we're going to have some fun with Bob and Pearl. Not in Mexico, but playing Mexican Train. So
Yeah,
we
Bob, it's almost New Year's Eve, so Bob wants to lose one more time than 2022.
Okay, who votes for Tom to win or who votes for Bob to win? Ah. How many votes for Tom? How many votes for Bob? Just kidding, it's all fun. So we have Bear with us. She likes to go see Tinker. Isn't she funny? She does that. She puts her nose in the corner. Daisy used to do that too.
Same
I don't know
thing.
what it is. They're not sitting up looking out the window. They've got their nose in the corner. Clear. So yeah, the fog has lifted somewhat. It's not as dense as it was. You can see it up on the mountains over there. But it got to where we could hardly see the people in the tent this morning earlier.
Not that we were looking at them.
No, I mean, when we looked out the window, it's like there's this red tent we can see. And because of the fog, it looked more like a pink tent.
We have tent x-ray vision.
Oh, no. We are not those kind of people. So, on the way here, we asked who you wanted to win, Bob or Tom. Well, so far, we've played, let's see
Four
here.
hands.
4 hands, and who's got what?
I have a big 0.
On all 4. The rest of us are not telling what we have. But so far, Tom has won every hand.
So who did you ask? Who do you want to win? Bob or Tom?
Bob or
Somebody
Tom.
asked me. I want Bob to win.
Well, there we go. There's a vote for
We have
Bob.
one for Bob.
And one for Pearl. So we're having fun playing Mexican Train with Bob and Pearl. We'll let you know how it ends.
Yes.
Well, our game is over.
Tom won almost every freaking hand.
But the ones I
However,
didn't win, the ones I didn't win hurt.
I won
however,
the big ones. First time I ever won, and I stole it right out of Tom's mouth. Thanks to Lori, she set me up like a pro.
oh, yeah, blame it
Not
on
on,
me.
not on purpose, mind you, but
Bob keeps score on the computer.
335, Tom's 349, 382. We were all right in there, except for Pearl.
Hey, what'd I get?
420.
Oh, sure.
Well, that was fun as usual, you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you. Congratulations, Bob. You are the standing champion. I'm sure Tom's going to want a rematch before we all leave.
The way to finish out the year, huh?
Take your band